using Slackline Industries Slack Rack. If you don't have one of those, that's cool. Just put your line nice and low and you should still be able to do these exercises. All right, today we'll be doing plank elevators, and it looks like this. 3 different levels, so we're gonna get through it. Level 1, you're gonna bring your hands to the ground and bring your toes or feet to the line. Feet placement or foot placement is the toes pressing into the line like so. This is the goal here. And you wanna keep a nice straight line, get into a nice solid plank. That feels good. We start the progression going down to the elbow and then pushing back up. Trying to keep a nice straight line with your body so your butt's not too high, your butt's not too low. Down and up. If you want, I recommend switching between sides to keep it even. So going down on the other side as many times as you go down on the right side. Keep it even. The goal is to do 10 of those and then move on to progression 2. So 10 of those and then moving on. Progression 2, you just turn the body around, put your hands on the line and feet out. Same thing with that body. Try to keep the body straight so that the hips aren't dropping and the hips aren't too high up. Line placement for the hand. It's right here on this portion of the hand. You kind of see it once I put a little weight there. Take it off. Right there. That's the goal. Okay? Try not to wrap your thumb just in case you fall. We don't want to hurt yourself. Progression 2. Coming down to the elbow. And then back up. Again, rotating between sides. Keeping it even. The goal is to do 10 of these. So, 10 of progression 1, 10 of progression 2, then we're going to move on to progression 3. Progression 3 is a little bit more awkward. So one important cue that I'll give you is once you come into position, which is one hand on the line, one hand on the ground, one foot on the line, one foot on the ground, you always make your movements with the hand that's on the line first. So I'm going to drop down to my elbow, come up to my hand, come up to my hand. One more time. You move the hand that's on the line first, always, on level 3. Elbow comes down first, then elbow, then hand, then hand. You do 5 of those, and you switch it to the other side and do 5 more. That's progression 3, doing 5 on each side. One hand on the line, one hand on the foot. Excuse me, one hand on the line, one foot on the line, one hand on the ground, one foot on the ground. Movements with the hand on the line first. 5 on each side. Those are the plank elevators. Try it out. Levels 1, 2, or 3. Send us your videos. You know we want to see it. Check us out, SLACKROBATSacademy.com. Till next time.